Today we are showcasing this part, which is ideal for mid-turn machining. Let us take a closer look at the grooves. They are composed of multiple radii with non-uniform diameters, and the side walls also feature angled surfaces. The part is relatively long, so tailstock support is required during machining. Since the end face is solid, we need to reserve a center hole, with one end clamped and one end supported. We first perform rough turning of the outer diameter. Followed by finish turning, threading. Thread cleanup, drilling and chamfering. We then use a large tool for rough cutting and a smaller tool for finishing. After that, the reserved center area is removed. Finally, we machine the larger end. Milling the hex chamfering with a dovetail cutter. And forming internal radii with a corner radius tool. Machining completed.